What an interesting walk, guys. This is crazy. A rainy day in Pretoria. You're gonna have to keep on wiping. It's crazy out here. Ooh. I'm just passing. Look at this. It's starting to rain, guys. People are running away from these rains. Let's go down this side. Or maybe we go up just a little and get to Pretoria Street and see how is Pretoria Street that side. Oh, I think we should choose some pavements. It's raining, guys. It's raining. You better choose some pavements here. A rainy Pretoria. It is what it is. Whew. You're gonna have to keep on wiping the lens. They'll be getting moist, so don't you worry when I wipe them. And I don't edit because this is just a straight raw video. It's crazy out here. Shit. Let's walk, guys. Rain or no rain, we will walk these streets. I've got no umbrella after all. Jeez. Ay, bapo. Kanjani man? Usebenza ngokuthela mina. Yeah? Usebenza ngokuthela mina ngamanzi.
Mina ukuthola ngisebenza wena amanzi ayakuthela uthi
So okusithi accident ne?
Like yesterday.
Hey, lo mjida ngithele ngamanzi phela. Manje uthe yena uyasebenza. He says he's working. But I understand, I'm just joking. Let's go. Ooh. It's raining. Let me stand here. Ooh. And people are in the taxis going home. How's it? Yeah, I'm just passing.
I understand. There is standing.
But there is no standing and it's raining and I can see, at least I can stand here for 2 seconds and then I proceed with my walk. Is that wrong?
No, I'm not saying anything to you. I'm saying if you want to stay longer,
Go next door, there is a standing place in there.
Peace, brother. Peace.
Please what?
I said peace.
Yeah, I'm also staying please. Please
But
what?
you said peace what? I said
Oh,
peace.
Yeah, I'm also on peace. You can go next door. No problem.
Hello, mama. All right. Sharp. Thanks, brother. Woo. Let's move on. This guy was just chasing me, and it was only the place that I could stand because it's raining now. Look at this. It's crazy. I'm at Pedro's now. Steak pie, King Burger to my right. Crazy day, but I love it when it's raining. But except I'm just having a few misunderstanding with the shop owners. I understand. What a weather, guys. Just love what I'm. Whew. It's the pavements. Look at this pavement here. Should we say it's smart, clean? Pretoria is always smart. Many people would ask me, why is it that you always say Pretoria is smart, Pretoria is smart? Whenever you're in Pretoria, you're always saying Pretoria is smart, but it is what it is, guys. What do you see around? It is smart, and I don't take sides as such, but I'm just trying to give it as it is. Look at this, the pavements. It's raining, and don't tell me the rains are washing away the dirty. Ooh, yeah. I've made a certain video in Cape Town, and some people always saying Cape Town is smart because there are so much winds, and the winds are kind of blowing away the dirty. What a crazy thinking. What a crazy thinking that is. We are right here in Pretoria, guys, today. I think we're gonna try cross here. And the traffic is crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Maybe we should go back there. Oh. have to run sometimes. Have to run. This is how Pretoria is looking like today, 2026. Crazy streets, busy as ever. All the way up here. And this is the city center. It's raining. I'm gonna be wiping my lens all the way. And that is seat of Tshwane bosses. Very people local. And the areas just surrounding Pretoria. When we are around these areas, yeah. It's kind of we are getting out of the city center because this is now Francis Bahar Street crossing. What an interesting walk, guys. This is crazy. A rainy day in Pretoria. Thank you. Thank you. We are now crossing Francis Bahar. And this is exactly how it looks like here. Wow, amazing Pretoria. Always amazing Pretoria. I'm not going to edit anything, guys. I'm just gonna give the video as it is. Whether there is my stupidness, sometimes I get angry if someone, doesn't use his minds to understand other people. Like that time when I was in that corridor and that shop. I lost it. I wasn't supposed to. I'm sorry for that. Because we're like already starting an argument with that guy. But it is what it is. We need to be working together always. Right. You will see how open this area is and how beautiful this area is. And I think this is where we're going to be ending our video today of Pretoria. On a rainy day, what a weather. I love everything here. This is Nana Sita Street. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.